everyone. Nice to see you again in AI for Everyone series, where Kanch and myself are taking you through different user journeys and using different Google tools that you can use in your everyday life and get more familiar with AI. So I'm Upasna. I'm an AI engineer, and Kanch, over to you.
Yeah, I'm Kanch. I'm a product leader in Google Cloud. I'm looking forward to sharing with you on the AI for Everyone series. Week two, second agent here.
Amazing. And so if you would have seen week two first agent video that we recently posted, it's all about making you more productive in your personal life or as well as your professional life, especially if you have a workspace account, how you can effectively use it to create agents that'll save you a ton of time as you automate like day-to-day workflows. Today in the part two series, Kanch is going to take us through another version an automation that you can do in your everyday life that you could even do like without having any sort of subscription. And so, Kanch, do you want to tell us more about it?
Yeah, so when I was looking of doing the workspace thing, I realized some bottlenecks would be, hey, how do I use it in my day-to-day life? Which is pretty much what we want to start with because we want to be very familiar with the tools. And the first thing I wanted to try here was this workspace and workflows. And then I came to the problem statement of how do I do this? This app script, and we will share the link in our tutorial with the video, as you could see below, has this example, get stock price drop alerts. I love this because it comes with the spreadsheet itself so you can easily go in and then create the sheet so that you something to experiment with and understand. And what I did was I followed these instructions as it goes. Walking us through, it is just a simple file. It has stock details, the number of shares, the price when it was bought, what the current price is. As you could see, they used Google Finance for it. Then it's just a difference, then the percentage of difference. All of this is pretty clear. What it is intending to do is this app script one, which is essentially a piece of code that looks through, understands when to check losses, and then just executes. It's pretty
And
easy because, go ahead, Upasana.
no, I think for those of us like who don't understand code or don't want to get into it, are there like things I could do that will make it easier to use this?
Pretty much, you don't have to change any code. If you are particularly wanting to use those, and those in the tutorials, which are very easy to use, they have detailed instructions, in my opinion. And if you follow those, it's pretty straightforward. So all I did was I just did deploy and I did a deployment. I had to select a type and tax laws, I think. And when I look at it, it just successfully deployment done. And
That's
when I go
awesome.
in there after the deployment is over, I could see in my email, it should generate when the exact tax laws would be. I set it up in such a way that all of the triggers are easily available and maintained. As you could see, when I open the spreadsheet, it establishes it. So when I open this spreadsheet, which is pretty much
Mm-hmm.
this, it would have created the trigger that sends me that email. As you saw that the email came.
Awesome. Yeah, yeah. And I think for those of you who might be new to like AppScript or Google Sheets, like AppScript is like is a way for us to automate a lot of the workflows within Workspace. And so like it's AppScript behind the scenes are doing all of the programming, it's sending the email. So I think Kanch, this is great that the script already comes with the sheets and all you need to do is just sort of like set it up and then let it run. And I noticed something cool that it was using Google Finance, which allows us, my understanding is to sort of like refresh the data in real time, right?
Yes, yes. And that's why it's impressive. There is a lot more tutorials here. We will share the link so you could have a look at it. But we would
Yeah.
love for you to try something and let us know so that we know more about it.
Yeah, and tell us like if there are other ways that you use Google Sheets today that are helpful to you, or if there's other things, if you're in finance and you would like to learn or chat with us, feel free to reach out to us on LinkedIn as well.
Thank you. We are looking
Thank you.
forward to hear from you. Have a great week ahead, and we are looking forward to seeing you next week.
Take care. Bye.
Take care. Thanks. Bye.